everyone, welcome. Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. So tonight is our makeup night for not being on Tuesday night. So let me tell you what we've got. This is like one of the office supplies from Walmart. A little pen holder, whatever. These are from the Dollar Tree. They're somewhat smaller, but they're only $1. So this is from Walmart, this is from Dollar Tree. And then we have some glass candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I have some glass, this is supposed to be a big candle holder. So what we're gonna do is, first off, we're painting again. Can y'all believe we're painting? Y'all say hey when you get on. Let me know you're here. Let me know what y'all been up to. I went to the eye doctor on Tuesday. There's Miss Delaney. Hey, how are you? I've got my camera a little bit closer, so I hope I can see more comments. So Tuesday I went to the eye doctor. So he's a little over an hour away from where I live. And my mom and dad live in that town, so I met my mom at Hobby Lobby and my dad. And I got a little shopping done. So I didn't get back in time to do the live Tuesday night. Hey. There's Diane. There's my friend Diane. She was with me at the Hobby Lobby. She's my little gopher friend. We go. She has to help me drive and, you know, all the things. So, I guess you say running buddies, huh? So we got some shopping done at Hobby Lobby. So I have an order for an 18-foot garland, and I have got to get stuff for that. That's gonna be fun. It's gonna be, I think maybe 12 foot, 16 foot. It's probably the longest I've done. So we're going for 18 foot. It's not much bigger, but so now these are gonna be, I'm gonna decorate these to be more of a shabby chic. Now the word shabby chic they have trademarked. So if y'all, just an FYI. So we'll say French country. That's not trademarked. This, I'll give y'all a little tip also on this is Waverly chalk paint. And I've had it for a hot minute. And so it was thickening up. So I poured some water in it. And it is applying much better. But these, you can get the smaller ones at the Dollar Tree, or you can get some of the bigger ones at Walmart. Yeah, Walmart still has them. I've had these for years, so, or the bigger one I have. So I'm gonna get me some stronger glasses so I can see y'all better. Okay. And these are cute because I've taken the glass, the large, this one right here, and you can put it on top of your candle holder, and look what you get. I'm fixing to show you some ways to use this. I'm trying to get the inside and outside. It's all those little, it's like a mesh wire. So you can, if you look at different angles, you can see the black even after you paint. So, and y'all, it is thundering. The other night it thundered and thundered and never rained. It has rained a little bit this evening. It was pouring when I left work. The closer I got home, the drier it got. So we really need the rain. But I ran out to my car from work in the rain. It just started raining when I got off. I said, now it would wait till just time for me to walk out the door and start downpouring. I've almost gotten all the way around here. And then the fun part comes. So if any of y'all been, there's my sweet Aunt Kay. How are you? Have y'all been crafting any? What y'all been making? Are you getting ready for fall or Halloween or Christmas yet? Are you making anything? And on some of these, there's my sweet friend, Miss Robin. Okay, so that's gonna be a little wet on the bottom, but I have a little taller one, and I'm gonna be sitting it on this. Because this one is going to be wet, we will finish it later. But I wanted to show y'all. And then I just used, let me get a paper towel here. I use the chalk paint, and you can paint the glass with the chalk paint. It's very easy. Doesn't take long. And I'm using E6000 to glue these together. Glass and hot glue does not go together. They will pop off in a heartbeat. So, save y'all the trouble of trying that because, yep, I've done it. They have some glass glue, glass super glue that you can use. I already have E6000, so that's what I use. But anyway, you just paint your glass candlestick white or whatever color you want. I will E6000 these together. Let me put that in some water. Now I have one of the smaller ones done. Let me close this up. It already has a problem with getting thick. This was not supposed to be my painting mat, but it's turned into that. Now I've got lace. Isn't that pretty? This is what we put on the denim vest. So I had that left over. So, just gonna take some hot glue, and y'all be proud of me. I finally remembered to get me a backup. You know, Friday night, the glue wasn't even wanting to feed through here, and I was having to push the stick to get it to go through. So finally I remembered to get me an extra glue gun, so if this one goes out, I won't be left hanging without a glue gun. Now you can do these. You don't have to put lace on them if you don't want to. In fact, if you wanted them real country, you could paint them brown. If you wanted them farmhouse, and you could put the black and tan, what's that fabric? I got a sometimers moment. That I always use, and put it on here. I can't even remember my fabric, y'all. It's that kind, it's the same on both sides. It don't have a right and a wrong side. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm putting another layer down here. This is very feminine, very dainty and elegant, I think. I think it's very pretty because it's got the little hanging lace and it's got the little pearls on there. Isn't that pretty? So now what you would use it for, let's see if y'all can you see the little light in there? I don't know these bright lights, if y'all can see the flicker of the flame, the little, now I would not put a fire burning candle in here, but these little tea lights came from Hobby Lobby, I think. They're a little taller than the little tiny ones. So for the bigger one, once it dries, there, it's on now. This one has got the little moving, flickering part there, and it's actually got a remote to it. And you can set the remote for 2, 4, 6, 8 hours. It'll go off and come on all by itself. These I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But I'm gonna put it in this one. It's gonna be pretty. So they also have not only the little pen holder, pencil holder, but they have the little short one for like your paper clips and stuff. And look how cute. You can do the same thing with it. And look, it's flickering. And I just put some little greenery with the berries. And look how cute these are gonna be with the tall one, with the tall candle in this one. With my stool. Now, these are both from Dollar Tree. The little flat plate candle holder and the glass candle holder. You can paint these if you would like. But look how cute. And you could use tea lights or you can use a ring like this. And I mean, how cute. At Hobby Lobby the other night, Tuesday, they had some little candle holders like this, except they were metal, and they were $8.99. So for $2, if you wanted them, they were painted metal. They were, let me think of the colors. They had white, they had orange, I think they had green, but you could get you some Waverly chalk paint and do the same thing to these. Paint them, and $2 plus your paint, and it will take hardly no paint to paint those, and you basically got the same thing. And you could paint them whatever color you wanted, and you hadn't spent $9 for one. You've got $2 in it. So let me show y'all one more thing. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They look like spools. I like vintage stuff, and y'all look what I did. I took the spools and I stained them and put my lace on there. I left one a neutral color and put black on it. And you can get the clothespins. You can get these even at Dollar General. And I stained a few of those. And I've got my lace on it. I'm going to put them in a little basket. I thought they were so cute. Isn't that cute? I love that. But they have these back there in all the wood stuff. And it's just, it looks like little spools. Just little wooden, you know, retro vintage spools. I thought that was neat. So, if you're at the Dollar Tree, they got all the school supplies out now. Or if you're at Walmart, you can get the bigger ones. But just get you the pen holders. They come black. I think they may come silver. This one was silver. And it's the paper clip holder. They have them at Walmart and at Dollar Tree. So, but aren't those just pretty? I just think they're adorable. And then, and you know, if you wanted to put something else in here, you could. You could use them for your, I got a pen somewhere. Pens, if you wanted to put it on your desk. If you have a desk that sits out like, you know, where people can see it, you could dress it up and use it for your pens and stuff. But I thought this was a neat idea. It was not my idea, but I did see them. I don't remember if it was Facebook or if it was on Pinterest. So, but I thought they were so pretty and dainty and elegant and all the things, y'all. And of course, y'all can find these. You could do them for the kitchen, or you could, you know, if you did just a greenery ring and didn't have fruit, you could put it anywhere in your home. So that's what I have for tonight. I appreciate y'all watching and joining me. And so I will see y'all tomorrow night with a surprise. We are doing a reel tomorrow night from Miss Robin. So y'all need to join me so that you see what we're making. Thank y'all. I love you all. Remember to get crafty and make something pretty. And I will see y'all tomorrow night. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good night. Bye-bye.